So I purchased some Halloween serving bowls and dancing witch legs and some deco mesh. Next, I removed the stitch from the shoes and from the fabric, and I did that on both of the shoes. Went ahead and I removed the fabric from the top of the ring area, and I just cut it using scissors. On one of the ends, you'll want to use a glue gun and apply some glue because you want to close that seam, and you want to do it to the next one as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to stuff it with pillow filling. You'll want to use the stuffing up until about, I would say, 1.5 inches towards the top, because we're going to need that area to glue that fabric to the serving bowls. And now we're ready to glue the shoes to the fabric of the legs where we left the 1.5 inch area. I also wanted to note that the serving bowl, I spray painted the outside only, and I used a black spray paint. For some reason that did not record. Then I used one roll of like a dark tulle, and I just folded it in half. And then I placed a little glue on the serving bowl like every 3 inches or so, and then just applied the tulle. And once I got all the way around, I just went ahead and I made a bow. Next, I arranged the legs underneath the candy dish, and then I went ahead and glued the legs to the dish, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you. And if you don't already subscribe and you think this channel is for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Bye.